In the question we were given that O is the center of the circle and angle ZXO equal to 34 degree. Angle ZXO, angle XOY equal to 146 degree. XOY 146 degree, and we are asked to find angle OYZ is currently unknown. OX and OZ are equal because they are radii of the circle. So OX is equal to OZ radii. Since OX is equal to OZ, triangle XOZ is an isosceles triangle, and the base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. So we can say angle ZXO equal to angle XZO equal to 34 degree. So angle XZO is 34 degree. Let us find angle XOZ, and the sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we can say angle XOZ plus angle ZXO plus angle XZO equal to 180 degree. So let us substitute the value of angle ZXO and angle XZO into this equation. So we are going to get angle XOZ plus 34 degree plus 34 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle XOZ plus 34 degree plus 34 degree will give us 68 degree equal to 180 degree. So if we transpose 68 degree to the right hand side, we are going to have angle XOZ equal to 180 degree minus 68 degree, and angle XOZ equal to 112 degree. Let us find angle ZOY, and the algebraic sum of angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. That means we can say angle XOZ plus angle ZOY plus angle XOY equal to 360 degree, and our angle XOZ is 112 degree. Our angle XOY is given to us as 148 degree. So let us substitute them into this equation. So 112 degree plus angle ZOY plus 146 degree equal to 360 degree. So let us transpose this angle and this angle to the right hand side. So angle ZOY equal to 360 degree minus 112 degree minus 146 degree. So angle ZOY equal to 102 degree. Also, I want you to note that OY is equal to OZ because both are radii of the circle. That means that triangle YOZ is an isosceles triangle and angle OYZ is equal to angle OZY because base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal to each other. So we can say angle OYZ equal to angle OZY. An algebraic sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we can say angle OYZ plus angle OZY plus angle ZOY equal to 180 degree. Since OYZ is equal to angle OZY, let us substitute angle OZY with angle OYZ. So we can say angle OYZ plus angle OYZ plus our angle ZOY is 102 degree. 102 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle OYZ plus angle OYZ will give us 2 multiplied by angle OYZ plus 102 degree equal to 180 degree. So let us transpose 102 degree to the right hand side. 2 multiplied by angle OYZ equal to 180 degree minus 102 degree. 2 multiplied by angle OYZ equal to 78 degree. Let us divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2 angle OYZ equal to 39 degree. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.